Hi! In front of me is iPad mini 2021 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. Start by accessing device settings. Now you need to scroll down and select Touch ID and passcode. Then scroll down, choose Turn Passcode On and select passcode options. Pick one of those by tapping on the chosen one and enter it. Over here you need to choose Change Passcode and change it because it's too easy, but I will go with Use anyway just for example and repeat my passcode, sorry. Now when I go back, turn off my screen, then turn it back on, I guess that passcode is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!